Stop squeezing your big adventures into a small boat. This is the MasterCraft NXT24, the biggest boat in the NXT family. We're loading up a 16-person capacity, dropping 3,300 pounds of ballast, and showing you every massive feature starting right now. So this NXT24 is optioned with the magnetic blue. There are countless colors to customize your boat in your way. The platform on the NXT24 can be color matched like this one with the magnetic blue. You can also option it with the teak swim platform, but if you go with the fiberglass platform, there's an option to also add the flip down swim stick. Under the platform here, we have MasterCraft's SurfStar Surfing System. With MasterCraft's actuators, they provide maximum strength and durability, which means more time on the water for you, paired with the position sensors, which create a more consistent surf wave. The Transom in the NXT also comes with this nice bench-style seating back here. With some extra cup holders, it's a great spot to hang out while you're swimming around the boat, or to put your gear on before you get ready to do any water sports. The standard engine on the NXT is the Elmore 5.3 liter GDI with 380 horsepower and 407 foot-pounds of torque. It's more than enough power to handle anything you're going to throw at it. The Transom is also where your pop-up ski pylon is. This is where you're going to do any kind of slalom skiing or inner tubing from. MasterCraft does a great job creating a very luxurious and spacious cockpit seating area. This one is equipped with the cool feel beach tan upholstery and the tan SeaDeck flooring, which can also be optioned in a gray. Upholstery-wise, there are countless colors to customize your boat your way. MasterCraft does a great job maximizing space in the cockpit. There's plenty of cup holders and phone chargers above those cup holders and several USB phone chargers. There's plenty of storage under every single seat with dedicated cooler storage on this side, and there's also an option to add this awesome flip back seat for the center seat. So all NXT models are going to come equipped standard with the ZFT6 tower. This one is black with black clamping board racks, which allow you to store up to 4 surf and wakeboards. If you're enjoying this walkthrough of the 2026 NXT24, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of all future videos. The Helm on the NXT is very simple and user-friendly. New for 2026 is keyless entry, so you no longer have a key to keep up with or potentially lose in the water. You just have a 4-digit passkey, get in your boat, put the key code in, and push to start. This 7-inch touchscreen is how you're going to control your wakes and waves. It has rapid surf, which is a numbered 1 through 3 setting, which is great for beginners who just want to get out and find a surf wave. But once you find what you like, you have an option to go in there and use custom surf wave to fine tune it and get that wave exactly how you like it. You also have some redundancy switches for your ballast here at the Helm, where you also control your lights and your bilges and blowers, and it has a great, easy to use wireless phone charger here below the Helm. Also new for 2026, MasterCraft made the change to Meridian Audio, which in the NXT is going to come with 6 interior speakers, and you can option the tower with 0, 2, or 4 tower speakers. You're also going to control the audio through this 7-inch touchscreen. It's Bluetooth capable, and you also have an audio knob here to help you adjust the volume and change your song while you're running down the lake. So up here you get a nice pickle fork style bow. It does come with an acrylic wind dam door to block the cockpit from wind on those early spring or late fall days. The bow is just a very spacious and fun place to sit for your passengers. And that's how the 2026 NXT24 gives you more room, more wave, and more everything. If you loved what you saw, come see us at your nearest SKIER'S Marine dealership or visit us online at skiersmarine.com.